What's up, guys? It's November 13th, 2025. We're going to do a 10-minute breakdown of the E-mini where we talk about second legs, trap traders, and market context. If you want to see how I place these trades live, check out the membership section where I go over these trades. Some of them winning, some of them I'm losing. They're all based around second legs and breakouts. Had a pretty good day today. Today was actually my best day profit-wise trading options. I put up 400 and I walked away with about 1300. So not bad at all. I did it while I was at work. So working minimum wage, cleared 1300 today. Pretty good day though, pretty good day. I took this short here, I shorted this bar, and I shorted like around this bar. It's hard to say because the bar was moving, but I took this short trade here, market sold off, and then I shorted this bar here, and I got out on this bar as it was, so it sold off and it started to rally. I got out right there. It's a really nice day. 1300 on options. I'm gonna pocket that and just kind of hold off and see what we get. Maybe we get another trend day and I'll put a little bit more in. We'll see what happens. Anyways, these trades I took were based off second legs, based off breakouts. I went for the swing with the options and then I scalped futures. Here's the breakout. Here's the first pullback, so that's why I got short here. It ended up being a second leg pullback and a snap back to the EMA. Two-legged pullback, leg one, pullback leg two. And then I added to my position because I believe this was going to be the high retrain range. So I wanted to either short the high retrain range or add to my position, which was losing at the moment. And then it sold off and it got going. I added some more to a winning trade. And that's how that worked. The market, I got out right around here because what's the market cycle say? It says breakout. First opposite bar equals channel. So I like most of my systems are channel systems. And then here we're way past their leg. So like I better get out because this is one, two, oh excuse me, I got out here. Leg one, pull back, leg two, let me draw it. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Within leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. So like I better get out. Very close to the end of the day. Did pretty good. Why I didn't look for reversals is because we were under the higher time frame EMA. And look at the last rally here. This is a trading range. We broke out of it. Market cycle resets. So trading range, breakout, first opposite bar. We start to channel lower. We go back into a trading range, and this is right around the trading range lows. I had a line drawn here. I wanted to take profits just below that. So once I realized we may have already seen the low of the day, I wanted to get out, and it was also close to the end of the day. Weekly chart on the left, daily chart on the right. Bears are getting, depending on what happens tomorrow, bears are getting 3 bear bars in a row. That hasn't happened since around February. So that's interesting to see that the context is changing. We could be entering that training range, which is just how I said in the previous, just how I said a second ago over here. More than 3 legs up. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. That's a very sloppy count, but what I'm trying to say is we're past the 3rd leg, so this is starting to be training range behavior. Pull channel up, bear channel down. Daily chart is looking messy. Here we have a leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, hidden 3rd leg within these tails, and then we start to break down. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Very hard because we're in it's a training range. Both sides can get a second leg. Bears need to go 1 tick below here to get second leg. From this structure, bulls need to rally up here to get a second leg from this start to this structure right here. So tricky time. We'll see what happens. Daily chart, again, 3 legs down, led to a rally, kind of a wedge bottom. But now there's also 3 pushes up that led to a sell-off. So we'll see what happens. This is a nice bear bar. Trying to get a second leg, but look what happened when we had a bear bar here. This was a really big bear bar and got no continuation. And this looks like the overnight session's already kind of rallying a little bit, so we'll see what happens. I don't want to suggest a rally, I don't want to suggest a sell-off, but we just follow the momentum tomorrow. Breakout with follow through bars 1, 2, and 3. There's also a gap here. Gaps are a filter, or not necessarily a filter I use, but like I look at them and think of strength. I don't think like, is there a gap? Maybe later in the future I'll only trade gaps, but for now they're just, if they're there, I notice them. I acknowledge them, I guess. So we have a gap down, different type of gap than what I'm talking about, but opening gap with continuation. We have a deep pullback, bars 4 through 6, shot to get second leg. I didn't think the second leg was going to look like bar 7, or excuse me, bar 8, but it did. Bar 8 and 9 is that second leg. At this moment in time, bulls are looking for a reversal, but the best they got was a train range, and second leg trap happened in train ranges. Leg 1, pullback with 2, second leg trap. Bar 10 tested the high of bar 1, and there were more sellers there. You can see small rally testing the EMA, ends up selling off 10 through 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bear bars in a row. Trying to get a second leg down, and then you can see 18 is that first reversal. Take a short 18 and make a quick scalp down here. That's generally the trade I look for on futures, is a first reversal after 3 or more bars down. So here's 3 or more bars down. I short that. I take it right down there. Quick scalp. This entire structure got 3 legs down. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2, pull back. Leg 3. Go into a train range, and then we get the breakout 28. 28 has enough momentum, or excuse me, 26 has enough momentum with follow through on 27. But then bulls get another pullback, 3-legged pullback. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3. Again, testing the high here. More sellers above the high, train range behavior. This, remember, price action is fractal, so there's a couple ways to read this. Could say leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3, train range breaks out. Could say leg 1, pullback. Leg 2, pullback. Leg 3, train range. It breaks out real quick for you too. We get a retest around these bars here. Then we get another breakout, 46 through 50. 46 through 50 also has a gap, trying to get second leg down, and it does. Leg 1, pullback. Leg 2. You could take the exact same trade you took on 18, on 51. You short the high there, you scalp to the bottom. So the way I would structure this trade, it doesn't look like you would actually get filled. It might be a loss. It really depends on how you're entering, where your stop is, because it's a nail biter. You short up here, you put a 1-hour stop. Look, you don't get filled and it snaps against you. Maybe you get out on bar 59 and 60, then your target is hit. So that's going to be up to the individual trader to see how he or she holds through this pullback. But the target is hit, and I can't even tell you what I would do because I didn't take it on futures, but on options I did hold through this pullback because I was confident we'd retest the low or see a new low, and we did. But on 66, I was not confident we were going to make a new low, which is why I got out on 71, because it was very late in the day, and this was kind of climactic selling. Bar 60 kind of scared me a little bit because it crushed the options. This bar alone took away like $300-400, but then it came right back and then some. So 0 DTEs are tricky for that reason. I wanted to get out because I wasn't comfortable seeing that evaporate in 5 minutes. But it worked out. So second legs, again, the bulls are now getting trapped here. So bulls are buying the dip and they're forced to sell out. That's what causes second legs, is one side's forced to sell. In this case, the bulls were forced to sell, with the bears were adding to the winning positions. Bears were just pressing all day. Breakout below the higher time frame EMA, so different types of bears are looking at this as a sell-off. Bars 61 through 66, trying to get second leg down, and it does. You could say the second leg is 68, or 67 to 68 low. Leg 1, pull back. Leg 2. Could say it's this second leg. You could even say it's this type of second leg. Again, the price action is unfolding as we move along, so we have to keep updating our analysis. Anyways, guys, let me know how you did today. It was a trend day. These days don't come often. I hope you were able to take advantage of it. Thank you for your time, everyone. I'll talk to you later. Bye.